Now we've got washing power gone up in price. £9.90 for that, my friends. You know why you're doing it? Just to make money out of it all. Washing powder should be just all the same, really. Not all different prices. You know, you got that there, that's £2, that's not bad. To me, that is overpriced myself. That's okay, but it won't do the job. That works cheaper. But you're on a low budget, look at that, £10.50, yeah? That's the highest one. No, it's not. It's £11 there. £11.50. £13 there. Do 65 washes. But is it worth the money? What you got to think? Imagine you drunk red wine and it went all over your nice white shirt. Will it clean it out? This is what you got to think. All this thing there, all this technology, I think it's all a con myself. Reasonable price. Can't see why that is £5.25 myself. And that's it here, my friends. Not bad prices here.